Howdy, y'all. Well, I got a package in the mail. It's from Daisy Outdoor Products, Rogers, Arkansas. Now, what could this be? Might surprise some people. So, yeah, it might surprise a few people. So let's get her opened up here and see what it is. There we go. Ends open. Packing slip. Look at that. It's a BSA scope. BSA Edge. Two to 7 by 32 pistol scope. Says 2 to 7 power, fully multi-coated optics, 32 millimeter objective lens, fast focus eyepiece, 1/4 inch MOA clicks, haze filters included. Parallax setting is at 50 yards, which is going to be fine for what I'm going to be doing with this scope. 1-inch tube, matte finish, extended eye relief of 12 to 20 inches. So, what do we have here? And it's still got the seals on it. Let's get them opened up there. Let's take a look at it. Instruction manual. Put that over there out of the way. And there it is. Take these covers off of it. And it's got a BSA on the end of it there. We got 2 to 7. See if it says it's BSA 2 to 7 by 32. Let's feel this. Feels nice and smooth. It's tight, but it's nice and smooth. Let's look at the turrets here. Oh, lots of threads on the turrets. Just a standard adjustment. Pretty common for a lot of your scopes. Nothing special there. All right, and this is what they call the 30-30 reticle. You know, everybody knows what a 30-30 reticle is. Did you have a picture of it on here anywhere? There we go. Right there, just a standard 30-30 reticle. Nothing fancy. Extreme climate, extreme protection, waterproof, shockproof, fog-proof. Let's see what else we got here. Yeah, I didn't know that Daisy was part of BSA, but it sure is. I can't remember the warranty on it now, but let's see if it's got it here on the paperwork here. General returns policy. Here's a nice lens cover or cloth. Warranty registration card instructions. Now I bought this straight off of BSA website, so we shouldn't have a problem there. Customer service. 1 year limited warranty. Be free of defects. Material workmanship for 1 year. This warranty is not transferable. Blah blah blah. So basically, just a 1 year warranty. But what we're going to use this thing on is, let me get this knife put away before I hurt myself. We're going to put it on this Contender barrel. It's 22 long rifle. See if I can get it to show up there. That's what we're going to put it on. And look at it. It's the same length as the barrel. That's a 10-inch bull barrel. We got a Weaver Picatinny rail, or whatever the Weaver style rail, and I'll have to dig up some rings. So let me, since I can't do that on YouTube, let me get all that done, and we'll be back. Okay, so well, it has been, I think, 3 or 4 days now since I started the video. I got the base mounted on the barrel, went looking for my rings. I couldn't find the ones I was looking for, and well, actually I found one of them. I can't find the other one. Don't know where it's at. The only other 1-inch rings I had were a set of these, you know, and I don't like this stuff on firearms. I don't mind it on the air guns, but not the firearms. So I had to order a set of rings. I ordered a set of the Discovery Optic rings, and I tell you what, for the price of these, they are awesome. These are 60-61. They're 1 inch and 0.95 tall. That's the shortest they make. But these things are awesome, I tell you. Obviously, you get a set of rings, you get a extra screw and an Allen and a wrench. They're torque screw wrenches, not Allen wrenches. But these things are neat because they're a pair that has been machined, truly put together like that, and machine line board to make sure that they're straight. Another thing that's neat about them is this is ring set A and this is ring set B. You can, if you take these tops off and you lay it down, you don't know which way it's oriented. The numbers are always together. You know, obviously this is A and this is B, so that keeps that separated. Then they actually have torque sequence on it: 1, 2, 3, 4. It also tells you how much to put on it: 20 inch-pounds. Down on the bottom here, 25 inch-pounds. Tells you your diameters and your height there. I mean, these are some beefy. And these screws they use. Look, there's some beefy screws, man. Because they use the same here as they do here. But anyway, got these in, then realized didn't pay attention to the description on the rings. These are Picatinny. These are real Picatinny ones, not compatible with Weavers. Lugs 196. So I had a Weaver base. The Weaver base had to go visit Bridgeport. We opened them suckers up. So we're going to let's put one of them on there. Let me get the wrench out. There we go, man. Good to know a machinist. He really did them right. Didn't make any slop in them in that slot. Oh yeah, nice and solid. All right, let me get this finished up and we'll be back. All right, got everything torqued down with the fat boy wrench. I forgot to undo this, so we make sure we undo that. All right, man, those things are beefy. I'm gonna go outside and take a look through it. Y'all wanna go? All right, let's see if we can find it here. That's about as good as you're gonna get right there. Now that's on 2 power, and it's only at 40 yards, that white target down there. So it's a little out of focus down there. So let me do a zoom in. All right. Sorry about the camera there, but trying to do this handheld here. And that's at 7 power. See, it's a little out of focus because this is as a 50-yard parallax, and that's targets at about 40 yards. But man, I like it so far. But the only thing I haven't liked is it kind of looks like you're looking down a tunnel more than at lenses, you know, through the lenses itself. But other than that, it looks pretty good. So this is on a 22 long rifle barrel. So we're going to get to the range here, shoot some 22s at 50 yards with a pistol, and then we're going to shoot some, we're going to double it up and shoot some 44s. I had this BSA scope. It's just a 2x20. So I decided to put that on my 44 barrel because the other scope I had on it broke. So we'll see how it holds up to a 44. If this will hold up to this 44, I may get me one of those to put on this one. Save me a few bucks because the one I want on it is Burris, and it's $500 scope versus an $87 scope. So all right, it's time to go to the range. Thanks for watching, everybody.